So hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to create an IAM user account on your AWS account. So first of all, search for IAM in above top search bar. Click on IAM. From here you will get access to various menus. From here click on user groups. Always assign an user to an group. So from here you can create any group, like I want to create a developer group. Simply create its name. From here you can search for various accesses. You can give him access like full admin access or any other access, like I am giving him the S3 access, so he can create all the S3 buckets, list, etc. Simply click on create user group. Now you can see that a developer group is created. Now I want to add user to this group. Simply click on users, click on create user, assign a name, like I am assigning test. You can give him the option to provide AWS Management Console. Click on I want to create an IAM user. You can add auto generated password or use a custom one. For my case I am using this. From here click on add user to a group. I am going to add this user to a developer group. Click on next. You can assign a tag to him. For now we are leaving this point. Simply click on create user and you can see the user is created successfully. From here you can reveal his password and you can return to user list. Now you can see that there is a user with a test name is listed here.